Welcome to Wordscience. Today, we will learn about the word announs. This lesson will help you understand what announce means and how we use it every day. Let's begin. Announce means to tell something to people. When you announce, you share news or information. It is like saying something important so others can hear. For example, when someone has good news, they announce it to their friends. Let's look at some examples. The teacher announces the test. This means the teacher tells the students about the test. The news announces the weather. This means the news tells us if it will be sunny or rainy. A phone announces a call. This means the phone rings to tell you someone is calling. A person announces good news. This means someone shares happy information with others. Who announces things? Many people and things can announce. Teachers announce homework and tests. News reporters announce what is happening in the world. Phones announce calls and messages. People announce birthdays, parties, and special events. Anyone can announce something important. Schools use announcements every day. The principal announces important information over the loudspeaker. Students hear about events, holidays, and changes. School announcements help everyone know what is happening. They keep students and teachers informed. Television also makes announcements. News anchors announce the news every day. They tell us about weather, sports, and world events. TV announcements reach many people at the same time. This helps everyone stay updated with current information. Our phones announce things too. When someone calls, the phone rings. When we get a message, the phone beeps or vibrates. These sounds announce that something needs our attention. Phone announcements help us stay connected with friends and family. Why are announcements important? They share important news with us. They tell us what to do and when to do it. Announcements help people know what is happening around them. They keep us informed and prepared. Without announcements, we might miss important information. Let's summarize what we learned today. Announce means to tell or share news with others. Many people and devices announce things every day. Teachers, news reporters, phones, and regular people all make announcements. Announcements help us learn and know what is going on in our lives and in the world. Want to learn more simple English words? Subscribe to Wordscience. We make learning English easy and fun. Join us for more lessons that help you understand new words. Wordscience is here to help you grow your vocabulary. Thank you for learning with Wordscience today. We hope you now understand the word announs. Keep practicing and using new words every day. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.